To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your passive voice. In passive voice, especially the sentences where there is use of modal. Where there is use of modal, in modals, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, ought to, need, dare, must. Like this, these are the models. How do we transform the sentences where there are models in the sentences into passive voice? I take your one example. For example, I can write a letter. A letter can be written by me. Actually, this is your positive sentence. Into negative, a letter cannot be written by me. Interrogative, can a letter be written by me? Why can a letter be written by me? Now interrogative negative, can a letter not be written by me? Why can a letter not be written by me? Actually, this is the series of 6 sentences. This is to be understood. There is the sentence where there is modal. Actually, we have to bring BEB, and the order of words will be the same as that is in tenses, means in active voice. I am taking your next example. The gardener must water the plants. The plants must be watered by the gardener. This is positive. Negative, the plants must not be watered by the gardener. Then interrogative, must the plants be watered by the gardener? How must the plants be watered by the gardener? Must the plants not be watered by the gardener? How must the plants be watered by the gardener? So these are the sentences into passive. We may take actually other example. He must speak the truth. The truth must be spoken by him. The truth must not be spoken by him. Must the truth be spoken by him? Why must the truth be spoken by him? Must the truth not be spoken by him? Why must the truth not be spoken by him? These are the sentences. We all the students, we all the persons must use these sentences in our day-to-day life, in our speaking, to enrich our speaking fluent and very smart. Dear students, I think you have understood how to change the active voice sentences into passive voice where there is use of modal. Thank you very much.